Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone so the repair works. You back up and reduce interruptions, then set brightness to about 50% and display a neutral full-screen image. This equalizes pixel load. Once done, remove any case and gently clean the glass so heat and pressure won't interfere. Make sure to enable Do Not Disturb or airplane mode to prevent sudden screen changes, because consistent output is required for the next step. You now run a pixel refresh cycle to coax stuck image persistence out of the display. Start a looped video or app that cycles white, gray, and black blocks. Play this for 1 to 3 hours. While it runs, alternate colors every 10 to 30 minutes so each subpixel gets equal work and heat distribution. This helps redistribute charge on OLED or LCD elements. Make sure the phone is well ventilated and monitor temperature. Lower brightness if it feels warm. You finish by testing the display with varied content and full-screen white, gray, and dark images to spot improvement. If you still see faint ghosting, repeat the cycling process or run several shorter sessions over a day, because some retention needs repeated equalization. If nothing changes after multiple attempts and gentle use for 24 to 48 hours, it's likely permanent burn-in. In that case, contact an authorized technician for panel replacement. A helpful tip: reduce max brightness and auto-lock time to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.